Estimating, Part 1. Steve walks into a store and notices a shiny new sword that he can use for his medieval recreation. He sees a price tag of $79.95, but there is a store-wide sale of 30% off. So how much does he end up paying? So if he has a calculator, he can work out the discount using this formula to work out that it's $23.99, and then find the new price is $55.96. But Steve doesn't have a calculator on him. To work out this calculation in your head would definitely hurt. But there is a way to get a good estimate without a calculator. Step 1. Round the price to a round number. For example, if we have the original price and approximation, $2.99 would become $3, $11.90 would become $12, $89.95 would become $90, $198 would become $200, and $2,990 would become $3,000. Sometimes it's good to use a combination of prices to get your approximation. For instance, $2.99 and $6.99 could be approximated as 3 plus $7 is equal to $10. $14.99 and $24.95 would become $15 plus $25 is equal to $40. $249 and $445 would become $250 plus $450 is equal to $700. And so on and so forth with these other ones. Step 2. Find 10% of the approximation by moving the decimal place 1 to the left. So if our approximation is $3, we move the decimal place 1 to the left, we get 30 cents. If it's $12, we get $1.20. And if we keep moving the decimal place 1 to the left, we get 10%. Step 3 is multiply by how many times bigger than 10%. So in other words, if it's 30%, you're going to multiply by 3, 40% multiply by 4, 70% multiply by 7, 90% multiply by 9. If we use 30% as an example, that would mean that we're scaling the 10% to 30%. So if 10% of an item was 30 cents, 30% would be 3 times this amount, in other words, 90 cents. If it was $1.20, again would multiply by 3 and get $3.60. If it was $9, again we multiply by 3. So whatever the discount is for 10% to get 30%, we multiply by 3. If we use 70%, it's effectively the same thing. All the calculations are going to be the same, except that this time we'll be multiplying by 7 rather than multiplying by 3. Step 4, which is the final step, is the new price is equal to the original price minus the discount. But to demonstrate this, I'm going to go back to Steve and his sword. So if we recall, Steve wanted to buy a sword, it was $79.95 and it was 30% off. So let's now use these techniques that we've just learnt. Step 1 is rounding $79.95 to $80. Step 2 is working out 10% of $80, which we do by moving the decimal place 1 to the left and gives us $8. Step 3 is working out 30% of this amount. Because 30% is 3 times larger than 10%, we take the $8 and we multiply by 3, that gives us $24. Step 4 is to work out the new price. We get this by taking the original price and then taking away the discount, and it gives us $56. Let's evaluate our approximation. The actual price when we used a calculator was $55.96. When we used our approximation, it was $56. This means we were out by a total of 4 cents, or about 0.07%. So in fact, we were really close with our approximation, and it just shows that good approximation techniques can get us really close to the actual answers. Now that Steve knows he can afford his sword, he's ready for his medieval reenactment. Let's just hope he stays safe. To recap, estimation is a way of simplifying a problem but still get close to the actual answer. Use techniques that can be done by mental arithmetic. The techniques outlined in this video are useful for percentages divisible by 10. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Please leave a review and a comment. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an experienced mathematics teacher with a passion for teaching students financial literacy. Please read the disclaimer.